In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean print head of your Epson EcoTank ET 2760 printer. Now first step is to make sure you load the paper in the rear paper tray and then go to the printer display panel. Click on the home button. On this option, now scroll ahead and look for the settings. OK. Select OK on the maintenance. Scroll ahead and look for the head cleaning and press OK. Click on the start cleaning. Now click this button to start the cleaning. So it's going to take around 3 minutes for that, and we'll just wait for that. This will help your printer to unclog the ink and to improve the print quality. If you're missing a black ink or color ink on the prints, this will improve and fix that problem. Print head is clean, and now we can click on the nozzle check, and that gives a confirmation like if our printer is printing or not properly. So click on the print icon. So let's see the print result. You can see it says black and the other colors are showing up as well. That means our printer is working normal and it has improved the print quality. On the main screen, it will ask you, are there any missing segments? No. If you still have that, you can just click yes and repeat the head cleaning. Thanks for watching.